Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make simple 5-minute banana fry recipe. This recipe is very popular tea snack recipe in Kerala. We need only very less ingredients and 5 minutes for this unique recipe. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon rice flour, 3 tablespoon sugar, 1 by 4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 by 4 teaspoon salt, then add 3 by 4 cup of water, beat them well. Make it into right consistency.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Keep it rest for 20 minutes. Now I have taken 3 ripe bananas cut into 2 shapes. One is smaller one and the other is longer. After 20 minutes, we can coat the banana pieces in the batter and transfer it into hot oil and fry it. Fry it until it becomes light golden color. Our simple 5-minute banana fry is ready. This recipe is very popular tea snack recipe in Kerala. It's a very yummy recipe to try.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.